wind 330 at 13, gust 21, visibility 10, skies clear below 12,000, temperature -9er, dew point -18, altimeter 3024, visual approach in use, landing and departing runway 32, nose airman, all runway field conditions 3x3x3, 100%.
No, 75, 75. No, wind is from 330, 13 knots, gusting 21. It's going to be challenging. Okay. Good morning, Republic Ground Helicopter 7045 X-ray on Charlie ramp with November requesting taxi to Gulf 6 for southeast departure. Your turn, pick it up for me. You have the collective.
Okay, I got the collective. Just the collective, right?
Yeah, yeah, but you can feel on the cyclic and pedals with me, no problem. Just, okay. But you have the collective,
yeah.
Okay?
Check, please.
Wind 320 at 12.
Thank you.
So as you're raising the collective, I have to add on the left pedal, right?
Yep.
Okay, keep raising. Very nice. Good. Keep raising. Excellent. Beautiful. Nice pickup. Thank you, sir. Good morning, Republic Tower, helicopter 7045 X-ray on Gulf 6, ready for southeast departure.
Helicopter 7045 X-ray, tower, southeast departures approved, Gulf 6, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff on Gulf 6, southeast approved, 7045 X-ray. Alrighty, my tail is clear. I'm turning to the wind.
Republic Tower, good morning, Gulf 6.
They got lights out, tax match, gauges are in the green, fuel, amps okay, RP's on. Let's take off from here, okay?
Yep.
A little forward cyclic, start moving, and use the pedal, keep my ground strut, my heading.
Alpha Tower, winds 33016, gust 25, runway 32, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 32, 65, no problem.
Alright, 50 knots, just concentrate on the cyclic for a while.
Okay.
Alright, you got a cyclic?
Yep, I got the cyclic.
Excellent, a little forward. Very nice, not too much. Make sure you have a hand, rest on the lap, relax. Yeah, better. That's much better.
Sorry.
No worries. You got a cyclic, right?
Yep, I got it.
Excellent. A little to the right. Excellent. That's beautiful. Just leave it there, and we're climbing. Your attitude is very good.
Thank you.
Very nice. You see, we got a 500 feet per minute climbing rate, and you're still flying the 60 knots altitude. That's perfect.
Okay.
Okay. So we want to climb to 1,000 feet. Add cyclic.
Yeah.
And you have controls?
I got controls.
You got it. Very good.
Thanks.
Very nice. Keep climbing to 300 feet.
Okay.
And then we'll turn to crosswind.
Good.
I think we can fly a left pattern so that we fly over the land. Not land exactly, but the island.
Okay.
Good. Yeah, 60 knots. The helicopter climbs faster. Great, beautiful. You're clear on the left.
Turn
We
the
got
right.
little birds on the right. Very good. A little forward. Beautiful. Nice, nice.
We're at 400. We went to that.
Keep climbing. Our pattern height is 600 feet, so you can climb a little higher. Good. Very good. Nice, nice. Clear on the left.
We're in the right.
All right. Turn to downwind. Excellent. Good job.
Thanks.
You have a very good stick.
Thank you.
Honestly, with 2 hours, that's pretty good.
In the beginning, that was bad.
All right, get our pre-landing checks done. We got lights out, tax match, gauges
green.
on green, fuel amps okay, carb temperature off the yellow, carb is up, and let's start descending.
Turning, right?
You can start descending.
Oh, okay.
Not turning yet. Good.
So right
Great.
pedal.
Yeah. You can turn base. We're clear on the left. We're clear on the right. Great. Very nice. Descend a little bit more. We want to descend to 400 feet. Good job.
Thanks.
All right. Good, good. 400 feet, level the helicopter. Just wait for the approach angle. All right. Excellent. Excellent. Very nice. So from here, this is an approach angle, right?
Yeah.
So lower the collective. It's the little larger white dot, white spot, okay?
Yep.
Very nice. Use the trim string to line up with the landing spot. If it's too low, raise a little bit collective. If it's too high, lower a little bit. Make sure we think about the pedal input, okay?
Yeah.
All right. Good. Very nice. Good job. A little left pedal. We got a little.
Okay.
Excellent. Yeah, just hold the attitude. Don't let the nose drop. Very good. A little bit to the left so we can avoid those trees.
Yep.
Very nice. Very nice. Keep lowering. Beautiful. Beautiful. And start decelerating from here. Not too high. Just this attitude should good. Yeah, this will do it. Hold this attitude. Just hold this attitude, okay? Good. Allow it to descend a little bit to the left, low, and we're pretty far away, okay?
Yep.
So hold this attitude for now. Just hold this attitude. Look at the compass. A little left pedal. Very nice. Very good. Very good. 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 Excellent. Keep going towards the landing spot. Keep going forward. A little bit more forward movement. Yeah. Nice. Nice. Don't be jerking out of control. You want to fix anything, use small, smooth control input. Very good. Very good. Don't worry. Keep going forward. We want to keep going forward.
Sorry.
That's fine. Don't worry. You still got controls, okay?
I got.
You got controls? I have controls.
You got controls.
Very nice. That's a lot better than the first one, and we get closer to the ground, right?
Yep.
All by you. And try hover the helicopter again. You got a cyclic?
I got the cyclic.
You got it.
609, contact departure, we'll see.
At departure, 696.
Very nice. Very nice. Holy moly, you're really hovering this thing. Nice. Are you kidding me? Come on, start doing that roller coaster thing again. Come on, come on. It's about the time. Holy wow. That's amazing. Oop. Oh, can you fix that? Can you fix that?
Good.
Whoa! Jesus. What happened? All right, you got enough fun. Okay, I have controls.
You got controls.
Jesus. That's great, that's great. Awesome. Good job. Good job, man.
You. Better than last time.
A lot better, a lot better. I don't know. What,
Maybe it was the wind.
No. It's just exactly the same. Wind is as bad as before. So, what did you do differently? Can you tell me?
Yeah, I think I was trying to I did a lot smaller movements instead of just trying to over control it.
Great, excellent. Yeah, that's the key, small movement.
Yeah.
All right, let's take off again. Do one more approach, okay?
All right, sounds good.
Alrighty. Really nice.
Thank you.
And you can see that if you keep the attitude control tight, it's actually easier, right?
Yeah.
So that's the same in approach, okay? You want to keep the attitude control very tight, like in hovering, especially when we get close to the ground, when the helicopter starts slowing down, okay?
Yep.
Okay, you have controls?
I got controls.
You got it. Keep climbing a little bit, so pull maybe 1 more inch on the collective. Great, don't let the nose come up. Good job. All right, we're clear on the left.
Turn the right.
All right, let's turn to the left. Nice. And you can level it here. Good.
Republic Tower, Cessna 16237.
Like you said, a serious small control input is a lot better than jerky large input.
Straight in, full stop.
Definitely.
Cessna 16237 Tower, straight in, runway
And
32.
when you turn from upwind to crosswind, if you extend the crosswind a little bit, then you have more space on the base as well, right?
Yep. Makes it easier.
Okay. Pre-landing checks, we got lights out, tax match, gauges showing in the green, fuel M's okay, car speed is up, temperature off the yellow, and we will start descent from here. Start descending. So hold your altitude, right pedal. Excellent, very good. Very good. You're clear on the left.
Turn the right.
Nice. Okay, turn the base. And you have a, yeah, you can extend the base actually just a little bit.
Alright.
Attitude, you see the nose is too high? Yeah, fix that. Good job. And you probably want to start raising the collective because we're at 400 feet already.
Okay.
Okay. And you want to turn the final from here. You're clear on the left, clear on the right. A little left pedal as you have added power. A little forward cyclic. Good. Great. Not too much, just this, okay?
Yep.
Fly the attitude, don't worry about the airspeed, okay? Fly the attitude. Nice. Okay, so when we get close to the landing spot, when we're like 40, 50 feet AGL, don't overthink, just bring us to the landing spot, that's it.
Okay.
Okay, and you want to start descending. Nice, and the nose is too low, a little apt, not too much.
Public Tower.
Keep descending.
253 Juliet Sierra, Delta
Keep descending, but don't let the nose chop.
Alright.
Here's 253 Juliet Sierra Tower, runway 32.
Very good. You're using the right pedal. Beautiful. And we want to start decelerating. Put the nose a little higher, just half inch higher. Great. Keep descending. Beautiful. Good. Excellent. Excellent. Now you want to start raising the collective. Fix that attitude. To the left. A little forward. A little forward. Give you a little help, okay?
Thanks.
So we're going towards the landing spot, okay? You got controls?
I got controls.
Okay, you got it. Keep raising the collective, keep the forward movement. Bring us to the landing spot. Nice. Nice.
Cherokee 149 on Romeo Tower, proceed on course, runway 32, clear for takeoff.
And you're hovering again. You can't fix that. Can you fix that?
Nope. Yeah.
Yeah,
No,
I have controls.
No. You have controls.
right. It's about time to go back.
All right.
Great job.
Thank you.
Really
A
nice.
lot of fun.
Okay, tail's clear. Let's turn back. Lights out, tax match. Gauge is in the green. Feet up straight. Carpet is off the yellow. Carpet is up. Take off from here.
Romeo, Republic Tower, make left, close traffic. Runway 32, clear for takeoff.
32 is still in use. We have to still go to the bridge.
All right.
Cessna 237.
All right, you have controls?
Clear to land.
I got control.
Clear lane,
You got
runway 32, 16237.
To the bridge, right?
Yep.
All
Just go to the that end of the bridge. We will forward cyclic, forward cyclic. Good, nice. I have controls.
You got controls.
I got it. Good job.
Thanks.
Tail's clear. Let's go out. Tower helicopter 45 X-ray is cleared of Gulf 6. Wish you a happy new year.
Have a good day.